5 minutes is all you need to whip up the avocado creamy dressing. Hello family, welcome back to my channel. If you're my old subscribers, thank you for returning back to my channel, and if you are a new viewer, you are highly welcome. Please do not forget to subscribe to this channel. I'm going to show you quickly how you can make yourself a lovely creamy avocado dressing. Avocado is delicious, it's healthy, and it is perfect on your favorite salad when you use it as a dressing. It will increase the nutrient absorption from your salad. You see, you need avocados that are a bit overripe, that don't look appealing enough, just like these ones. To live and maintain a healthy lifestyle, it is hard to think of a better salad dressing that would help you achieve maximum nutrients apart from this avocado creamy dressing. We will go on and throw in the avocado into a blender, adding fresh lemon to keep it fresh and give it that tangy zest taste, as well as preserve it. I'm adding some milk here. You can add any milk of your choice. This milk will help it get creamy. And of course, olive oil to give it that rich taste. Without the oil, it will be just bland. You need that creamy, rich taste, as well as adding some pink Himalayan salt. You just now add it to your taste. Black peppercorn, add this to your taste as well. And at this point, this pepper is optional. Actually, I love my food really spicy and tasty, so I'm adding a bit of this chili cayenne pepper to it. I will just go ahead and blend them all together until it becomes very creamy and soft. At this point, you can as well stop your blender halfway, mix it all up to make sure that everything is well blended, and give it a second blend until it becomes creamy, smooth, just like this one. Avocados are packed full with potassium, monosaturated fatty acid, lots of fiber. Eating avocado can help you control your cholesterol level. It is healthy to eat avocado dressing that you made yourself, because you can be able to control the things you put inside, the level of the salt or whatever you want. You have total control, and of course there will be no preservatives, no added sugar. You'll be able to maintain a healthy lifestyle eating this deliciousness. So this portion is for you. Go ahead and eat it if you can. Family, the world is evolving, and it's time to start knowing what we eat and what it does to our body. It is very important to eat what works for your body. To preserve it, I usually pour it into a jar, and it stays in my fridge for up to a week. for watching. Please remember to subscribe if you haven't already. Share this video with your family and friends so that we all can live a healthier life. I'll see you in my next one. God bless you all and stay safe. I'm going now to enjoy my salad dressing. Bye.